Hello my little ones. Wishing you a very good morning to all of you. Today, first we are going to revise backward numbers from 60 to 0. So let's start. Now we will revise backward numbers from 60 to 0. Say with me children. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we will learn and write backward numbers from 70 to 61. Seven zero 70, 69 69, 68 68, 67 67, 66 66, 65 65, 64 64, 63 63, 62 62, 61 61. So let's revise once again. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Now children, today again we will practice writing backward numbers from 70 to 61. So today's date is 1/7/17 dot 9 dot 2020. Now on the top write down capital B, A, C, K, W, A R D. Backward. Leave some space and write down capital N U M B E R S. Backward numbers. Now write down 7070 dash 6161. Now leave this line. Below this line, write down T O. T means tens, O means ones. Now put a dot. Write down again T O dot T O dot T O. Now from where we have to start? Yes, we have to start from 70. 7070 6 9 69 6 8 68 6 7 67 6 6 66 6 5 65 6 4 64 6 3 63 6 2 62 6 1 61. Children, say with me once again. 70 69 68 67 66 65 64 63 62 61. Now children, you have to write backward numbers from 70 to 61 3 more times in your notebook. Now it's time for an activity. Once a frog and a tadpole lived near a pond. Tadpole का मतलब पता है बच्चों? Young one of frog is called tadpole. Frog के बेबी को tadpole कहते हैं. They saw some flies on the other side of the pond. The tadpole wanted to eat them. So the tadpole asked his mother, "Can I go and eat them?" Frog told, "Yes, you can, but you must be very careful and hop on each stone one by one." Children, can you see some numbers are written near each stone? Now the tadpole started hopping, saying the numbers 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Did you observe, children, that the tadpole counted in order from 61 to 70 and reached to the flies and started eating them one by one? अब टैडपोल को घर जाना है, तो यह टैडपोल कौन से नंबर के स्टोन पर पहले हॉप करेगा? यस, 70. Then 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Finally, the tadpole reached home. But children, did you observe? While returning back, the tadpole saved numbers in reverse order, which is called backward numbers. Now, I am removing these numbers as you have to arrange these numbers in backward order. So, which number will come first? Big one? Yes. 70. Then 69. 68. 67. 66. 65. 64. 63. 62. 61. We will meet soon, children. Till then, bye.